A small puppy plays happily alone chasing butterflies near green trees today.
The puppy suddenly feels cold, as strange shadows stretch across the ground nearby.
An unknown dark shadow appears silently, growing larger behind the puppy, slowly.
The puppy whimpers softly, sensing danger, and tries to run away quickly.
Time suddenly freezes as everything stops midair, without any sound around them. A glowing rescue team emblem shines as heroes step forward bravely together. The heroic team looks determined, seeing Puppy trapped between moments of time. Come on, little buddy. Let's get you somewhere safe. Everything is going to be all right. The shadow struggles silently, unable to move, while time remains frozen nearby. Another hero activates glowing device, pushing Shadow backward slowly with steady force. Light surrounds the area as Shadow begins fading into nothingness at last.
Time restarts gently with breeze moving leaves, and the puppy opens eyes, safe and warm inside hero arms.
The rescue team smiles relieved, watching Puppy wag-tail joyfully nearby together.
Sunlight feels brighter as danger has completely disappeared forever from this place.
The puppy licks Hero face, showing love, trust, and gratitude so sweetly.
Children nearby cheer happily, unaware how close danger truly was moments ago.
The heroes stand proud, knowing teamwork saved innocent life today, once again.
The dog runs alongside the team, barking and guiding the frightened cow safely.
One rescuer throws a large net, aiming carefully to restrain the massive creature. The beast struggles violently, shaking the ground, but the team holds their positions firmly.
Line! Hold him steady now, you got him! Great job, boys! Woo!
With careful teamwork, the rescuers guide the beast away from the terrified cow. As the helicopter arrived, its searchlights cut through the dust, revealing the immense challenge ahead. This was their last chance. The giant beast finally slows, controlled by the team's ropes and careful coordination. The dog runs joyfully to the cow, guiding her towards safety with relief.
Thank you for your loyalty and bravery today, boy.
Another successful rescue. We couldn't have done it without this team.
The giant beast retreats safely into the forest, no longer threatening anyone nearby. The cow grazes calmly again, free from danger, surrounded by friends and helpers.